Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Ariella from Work It Daily, and today we're going to talk about how to recover after not getting the job. And just a quick reminder to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you want a heads up every time we post a new video, be sure to click the little bell. All right, let's get started. It can be really hard to recover after not getting a job after all that time and effort you put into your research, your interviewing, and your follow-up for that job. Instead of getting frustrated, turn this into a positive. No job? No problem. Use the following tips to get over that feeling of rejection. Tip 1, step back. Take a deep breath and a step back and realize this wasn't a personal attack on you. They didn't say no, not ever. They said no, not today. You have to realize that there are a lot of talented professionals out there just like you. And just because you weren't the perfect match for this job doesn't mean you weren't a great one. So think about that when you're applying to your next job. Step 2, step up. This is your opportunity to step up and show your authenticity. Prove to them that you mean what you said. Send a note thanking them for letting you know that you didn't get the opportunity. Then let them know that you're happy they found a great candidate. Even though this might be hard for you to do, it's really important for you to take that responsibility and thank them for the opportunity. Also, let them know that you're still interested in working for the firm and check in with them every now and then. Make it clear that you're going to be proactive in your efforts, even if you got rejected the first time. It's going to show them that you're the professional that you said you were during the hiring process. Number 3, don't let your pride get in the way. It's really easy to say something like, "You had your chance, I'm never coming back to you." Forget about them, they had their shot. But you know what? You know you want to work there. Your feelings are just hurt. Don't let your pride get in the way on this one. It can really hurt you for future opportunities. You need to push it aside and be the bigger person. If you are really one of the top candidates, they might just call you and skip the hiring process altogether. Wouldn't that be nice? So there you have it. No job offer, no problem. So how do you recover after not getting the job? Let us know in the comments. We love to hear from you. So if you liked today's video, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget, if you want to win, you have to work it daily.